Hello and welcome to all students. In this lecture we see about some known examples of vector spaces. In the previous lecture we studied two known examples of vector spaces. First is Rn and second is Pnx. Means first is real vector spaces and the next is vector space of polynomials. Now in this lecture we see the example of vector space of real sequences. Consider the set S of all sequences of real numbers. Let S be a set of all sequences of real numbers. Therefore S is equal to, it is the set of all sequences an. Here an, all these ans are real numbers, means S is the set of all sequences, all real sequences. Let us define addition and scalar multiplication on the set S. For an is equal to a1, a2, a3, dot dot dot. So an is a real sequence, and let b1, b2, b3, dot dot dot. It is also a real sequence, and it is from S. And P belongs to R is any scalar. Define two operations, addition of sequences. So we know that how to add two sequences. Okay, term wise addition. First term is added into first term, second term is added into second term. So like this. So an plus bn is equal to a1 plus b1, a2 plus b2, a3 plus b3, dot dot dot. And we define a scalar multiplication. P into an is equal to, so p is a real number or scalar, multiply by that scalar to every term of that sequence. So Pan is equal to P into A1, P into A2, P into A3, dot dot dot. So obviously the addition of two real sequences is a real sequence, and scalar multiplication of real sequence is again a real sequence. Therefore closure property with respect to addition and closure property with respect to scalar multiplication, both the properties get hold. This is regular addition and scalar multiplication of sequences. It is also called as element wise addition and the multiplication of the scalar p to every element of an. Observe that the set S along with addition and scalar multiplication defined above is a vector space over R. The zero sequence 0, 0, 0, 0, dot 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 is a zero of this vector space, and the sequence minus an is equal to minus a1, minus a2, minus a3, dot 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 is a negative of the sequence an equal to a1, a2, a3, dot 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 in S. So in this way now we know the zero vector of this vector space and negative vector of this vector space. Negative vector means negative sequence, zero vector means zero sequence of real numbers. Now let us study about the next example of a vector space, and this is the vector space of functions from R to R. Consider the set f of functions from R to R given by, means it is the set of all real valued functions. So f, it is the set of all functions from set of real number to the set of real number, and f is a function. Means it is the set of all real valued functions with domain set of real numbers. The standard operations of addition and multiplication defined on this set f are as follows. Let f from R to R and g from R to R be two functions and p belongs to R be any real number, or we say any scalar. Then we define addition of these two functions. F plus g of x is equal to f of x plus g of x, and we define it is for all x belongs to R. And we define scalar multiplication. Pf of x is equal to p into f of x for all x belongs to R. The set capital F under this addition and scalar multiplication is a vector space over R. The zero of this vector space is a zero function. And it is defined as z of x is equal to 0 for all x belongs to R. And the negative of a function f from R to R is minus f function from set of real numbers to real numbers given by minus f of x is equal to minus f of x for all x belongs to R. So these are the two members, means zero vector and a negative vector of this vector space. Observe that f of x plus minus f of x is equal to f of x minus f of x is equal to 0 for all x belongs to R. For example, if f of x is equal to 3 into x square plus 5, then minus f of x is equal to minus f of x is equal to minus 3x square plus 5. If we add these two functions f of x and minus f of x, what do you get is 3x square plus 5 minus 3x square plus 5, and obviously it is equal to 0 for all x belongs to R. Now let us we stop here and we write some in the next. Okay, let us we stop here. Thank you very much for listening this lecture.